Another powerful option available in conditional formatting, which is highlight the duplicate values. No matter how big your data is, it can easily highlight the duplicate values within few clicks. There are other options also to find out the duplicate values in Excel, but how to use it with conditional formatting, I'm going to show you here now. So first of all, I have to select, definitely as usual, a range where I'm going to apply this condition that if the value is duplicate, please highlight, because if there is a big data, so many tables, columns are there, I cannot search, I cannot read that there is duplicate values or not. But if I select the range, click on conditional formatting, and uh, see, in the first there is duplicate values, click on this, and that is it. You can change the color which you want, you can apply a different color, yellow color, whatever, select the color values and click OK, and that's it. You can see within few clicks I can easily see what which value is duplicate in my data sheet. Thank you.